Hi, this is Lisa Somerville for Divinity Designs. Thank you for joining us for our Christmas Crafting Weekend Open House event. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial on how to create a project using the 6-pack holder die set. You'll cut the dies twice to create a 6-pack holder. This holder here is just using the dies once, and it holds 3 bottles. The treat bottles that are used in the 6-pack holder are sold separately. They're 4-ounce bottles, and they come in a package of 6. You can also use the 6-pack holder without the dividers inside the 6-pack holder to hold a set of cards and envelopes. Later in this video, Kelly Holland will be joining us to share a close-up look at some of the samples created by the design team using the 6-pack holder along with additional Divinity Designs products. The 6-pack holder die set is a set of 12. It contains the base die and the layer, the front and bottom die and layer dies, the divider dies, the left and right side and layer dies, and the handle layer die. You'll die cut the base, the front and bottom, the divider dies, and the left and right side dies from cardstock. Then you can die cut and emboss the layering panels from pattern paper. There are die cutting and assembly directions found inside the packaging. So here you can see that I've die cut and embossed all the pieces that I need to create the 6-pack holder. In this video, I'm just going to be creating one holder. Again, to create the 6-pack holder, you'll die cut and emboss all the pieces twice, and then adhere them together. The pattern paper that I'm using in this video is the Stained Glass Snowflakes 6x6 paper pad. This will be available on December 1st, 2024. Here you can see the base die was die cut from cardstock. The base layer die cut and embossed from pattern paper. Here we have the front bottom die cut, the layering panel die cut and embossed from pattern paper, 2 divider die cuts, the left and right side die cuts, and the layering panels die cut and embossed from pattern paper. When you die cut the front and bottom die, the divider dies, and the left and right side dies, those will also score for you. Adhere the die cut and embossed layering panels to the front bottom and the left right side die cut. Then fold on all the score lines. Now we're going to set those panels aside. Next, we're going to work with the base layer die cut panel that was die cut and embossed from pattern paper along with the handle layer die. Now, if you're going to be creating to create the 6-pack holder, you're going to want to cut through 2 pieces of pattern paper at the same time so that your handle lines up. Here you can see that I've added removable tape to the handle layer die, and I'm going to die cut that following the directions for my die cutting machine. So here you can see that the handle die was die cut into the pattern paper. Next, I'm going to adhere that die cut panel to the base panel, and then I'm going to adhere the stitched handle die into the opening. You'll center that into the opening, use a removable tape to hold the die in place, then die cut following the directions for your die cutting machine. Again, the way I'm showing you to die cut the handles is a little bit different than what's shown inside the insert of the packaging. And here you can see the stitching was added to the base panel. And finish assembling the 6-pack holder. Next, you're going to add adhesive to the tabs on the front bottom and the left right side. Then adhere those to the base. Here you can see the front bottom adhered to the base, and now I'm going to adhere the left and right sides. Once the sides are added to the 6-pack holder, you can then add the divider dies. You'll fold on the score lines, add adhesive to the tab, and add those to the inside of the holder. When I add the dividers to my 6-pack holder, I usually place a bottle inside the holder to make sure the spacing is correct. Now you can finish embellishing the 6-pack holder and add goodies to the treat bottles. Now remember, if you want to create the 6-pack holder, you'll die cut and emboss everything twice and assemble, and then adhere the 2 together to create the 6-pack holder. Now Kelly Holland will be joining us to show a close-up look at some of the samples created by the design team. For more inspiration, visit the product pages on our website, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram.